What it do, gang? Back with another video, man. You just not tuning in for the first time, man. Y'all make sure y'all go ahead and tap that subscribe button, turn that bell on. That way you get notified every single time I drop one of these videos, man. Now, before I even get into this video, man, y'all know I used to be at, you know, Classic Build GMC. You know, had all these other cars up there. But it's been a slight change, man. So I'm bringing y'all something new today, man. And I got to show y'all this lineup, dog. I got... First car, dog, I had to show y'all BMW, the M4. You know what I'm saying? This more clean. Got the carbon fiber package on it. Got the 6-piston Brembos. It's the Comp Series. Man, it got the Recall style racing seats in it, dog. Oh yeah, this one gonna be fun, man. This one gonna be fun. I don't really know too much about it as far as specs, but I'm waiting on my guy Brett to come out here, man. We gon', you know what I'm saying, we gonna go over all that right there. Then of course we got a C8 right here. You know, when I told y'all this man was the GOAT of all cars, I meant that. This man can get anything you need. I like them red guts though. I love the red guts, bro. The red guts definitely. Like, I don't know, man, this joint clean, man. And of course y'all know, I got the mid engines in the back, man, but no, bro, that red Fido, man. And then I got to show y'all this one, man. 2023 AMG GT63. I think it's the C63, GT63, man. Turbo V8. Well, I think it's the, I don't know if it's the V6 turbo or the V8. I don't know, but this one was clean too. I seen him posted this one last night. GT53 AMG. This one hard. Yes, and of course this one come with the 6 pistons as well. Turbos, you know what I'm saying? But peek the inside out, gang. Peek the inside out, bro. This is the nastiest inside I've seen in person in any car. Like the inside, so like I'm just trying to wait till we turn the screen on, bro, so you can see how this thing look like. This thing look like a freaking spaceship, bro. But yeah, man, like I really want to drive all these motors. Like I want to, like, and this is one more inside too. I forgot the name of it, but I think it's electric. It's supposed to be like 700 horsepower electric, something like that, man. But let me go grab my guy Brett, man, and I'll be right back. Y'all know this face. I ain't even got to say the name. Y'all follow my channel. Y'all know who this is, man. But I told y'all, man, I was going to tell y'all more about this M4. I ain't really know nothing about it, so I'm going to let Brett tell y'all the specs on this car, man, what's going on with this M4.
So this is a 2019 BMW M4 CS edition. It takes almost a 300-pound diet. Carbon fiber roof, carbon fiber hood from the factory, carbon composite door panels. Everything on this car is just stripped straight race car.
Man, look, all my foreign guys up there, man. Y'all want it? Hey.
Look at the hood.
Shit light, bro. Like legit, this hood light as hell. Now these come turbo too?
Yes.
But okay, I do see two. I see the the two intake. I was trying to figure out what the turbo is. I'm assuming they're under there somewhere.
They're underneath this.
Gotcha. Now, how much power? Now, first of all, these intakes stock or they aftermarket?
These are aftermarket. So the factory CS makes 454 horsepower.
Okay.
With these intakes and a tune, they can make closer to 500
Yeah, man. Now, y'all was following the channel when I had the Audi, man. I told y'all from the very jump, when it comes to German engineering, bro, intake and a tune on these cars can put it over 100 horsepower. I'm not lying. That's just the way they make these cars, man. But, dog, this car is so light. I'm really, I want to hear what this car sound like, man. I'm gonna try this how it sound, man. Oh yeah, that's awesome. Oh yeah. That exhaust now stock is. It is? Oh. Man, you know what? You wanna know what this car sound like? It sound like a GTR, bro. Like, I don't know, man. It's giving GTR. Hey, man. Well, look, y'all know what I'm finna do. I'm finna see what's to it, man. So let's go ahead and mount the cameras up and hop in the driver's seat.
Manual mode.
Hold on, what you just did? Oh, so you gotta. Okay, so it ain't like your standard shifter. Okay, that's drive right. Now. And
so
then,
that's driver. And
manual mode. Okay.
Manual mode.
Oh, I didn't even know the paddle shifters right here.
Yeah, and right here you can adjust the aggressiveness of the shifts of the transmission. So what you're gonna feel when you go to shift on this car, it's gonna.
It's already right there.
Yeah.
All right, cool.
It's gonna drive funny because it's a clutch transmission. You're gonna feel it slipping.
Kind of like the GT500 twins.
In the GTR. Yeah.
I feel it. I feel you talking about it. Okay. Yeah.
Feel how stiff it is.
Yeah, man. So like, that's not so guys. The suspension, like it's real stiff, but I can feel what he was talking about as far as like the clutch on it. I wonder, can y'all hear that, man? You can hear those turbos. You definitely can hear it, man. I can already tell this is gonna be a fun car, man. The seats, they kind of like they remind me of not a lot just like the GT500 seats. Like it's like they take your body and it kind of like forms around you.
My fixed backs that I had in my Z-Car.
Exactly.
What do you think about that throttle response?
Man, this throttle response, man. Dog, it's like you barely even just gotta tap it, and you know what I'm saying? It's like it's waiting. It feels like it got a pedal commander. Yeah. That's what it feels like. It feels like I got a pedal commander already on it, man.
Yeah, that's one thing with domestics. There's a huge disconnect with the throttle response with this.
And like you would think though, because this car has turbos, it's gonna be a turbo lag. You would think that, because that's how it is. But I promise you, I don't feel a turbo lag. Like as soon as you hit the throttle, like it wants to send it. And I can see what you're talking about. Like what type of clutch is this again?
Dual clutch.
Dual clutch. Like I can feel like if y'all familiar with dual clutches, like the GT500 and all that, it's like my interpretation of it is like it gives you that manual feel, but it's automatic. Yeah. Like the way it rolls into it and the suspension. Hold on. Oh man, listen to that. That definitely look. You know what I'm saying? Like let me see. Like I'm trying to figure out the way to explain it. Like you know how you shift gears and you don't shift to the next gear, you kind of just like ride the clutch out? Well, it do it automatically, like adjust it to the RPM.
We're in sport mode.
Oh.
So it holds it out longer.
Yeah. Without even having to. Oh yeah, this is definitely a fun car, man. Like I wish y'all, I really hope y'all can hear the way those turbos spool, like through those intakes. Oh yeah, I definitely get some trouble with this car, man. It's so fun though, man. And just listen how it just goes down without shifting. Oh, this is definitely a fun car. This is definitely a fun car, man. Now I'm gonna see how, let me, oh, the paddle shift, okay. Okay. Let me see, so I just wanna,
there you
go. Yeah. Ooh, you definitely feel that jerk, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Definitely felt that transmission, man. The aggressiveness of that transmission, the way it shifts at those points. In that sport mode, you definitely can feel that. Man, you wouldn't even think this car has that much torque like that though, bro.
All right.
Oh, that's dope. Yeah, this car definitely has some torque to it, man.